All right, so come to find out, these are Gypsy Moth caterpillars. Gypsy Moth caterpillars. And the best way to kill these guys, just some soap, some water, some pressure. I'm gonna pressure wash these suckers. They all gotta go. Look at all that. Oh my goodness.
There's multiple hostiles. Get cover.
Alright, it's next day. It's not 100%, but man, it looks way better than it did before. So now, I'm gonna do exactly what I did yesterday. Maybe 1, 2 more times, and that should do it.